Samarth, I'm sure you're waiting to introduce our beloved chief guest this evening. Come along, it is your turn now.
A wonderful evening to all of you. I am Samarth and it is my privilege to introduce you all to today's VIP. He is the CEO, founder and inventor of Reinventio, an educational tech startup. He also leads IEE India student activities as its vice chairman. He is a frequently invited motivational speaker across India, an award-winning author, a mentor to dozens of beginners, and has served in various roles across student communities. Having started up at the age of 12, he continues changing from Hindustani music through to graphite art. He one day hopes to change India positively by being in active politics. Having been invited across the country to share his views, experiences and knowledge across a spectrum of fields, has further widened his horizons at such a young age. A brilliant speaker, he has spoken at the Project Management Institute, IVM, apart from many engineering colleges and schools across the nation. He has also been covered by both print and visual media, most notably by the Economic Times and an ad shoot by IBM. It is my honor to introduce our beloved chief guest this evening, Srinidhi Prasad.
Thank you, Samarth. Srinidhi Anna, we are privileged to have you this. Thank you, Samarth. Srinidhi Anna, we are privileged to have you with us this evening. You are a young achiever and a role model for youngsters. Ajit Uncle has something special for you on behalf of all of us. Please take